Uploading a video properly is as important as choosing the topic or creating the video. Title, description, tags, thumbnail, these are the key factors that can decide the number of views your video gets. But most of the creators cannot add these things in the right way, and they get a very small amount of views. After a time, they get scared and stop uploading videos. So I have a solution for this. In this video, I will show how you can let AI do these things and rank on YouTube. Don't worry, you can do this on both computer and mobile phones. Yes, literally for everything. From writing your title, description, tags, and even helping to design your thumbnails, you can trust AI. Let's see how, but before that, make sure to subscribe. Title should be engaging and interesting to the viewers. At the same time, you need to use proper keywords in your title to show up on the search result. It is the most important factor for a video's rank on YouTube search. You can search your keywords on YouTube and research other videos on the same topic to create the title manually. Or you can head over to vidIQ to do this using AI. Go to the AI Tools section and click YouTube Title Generator. Here, you can find some tips to write a perfect title. Now, you need to come to this section and write about your video in this box. Then click the Generate button. Just in a second, it will generate some really engaging titles. A few of these might not be that good, but you need to find just one perfect title. Click the button on the right to copy and paste it on YouTube. After creating your video title, it's time to generate tags. Tags are also very important for SEO, but not as much as title or description. To generate the tags, use rapid tags. Put your video title here and click the search button. You get all the tags for your video. Copy the tags from here and paste on YouTube while uploading video. I think the most boring part of uploading a video is writing a description. No one actually reads the description unless any important link or something is shared. But description is second most important factor to rank video, after the title. When you search something on YouTube, the first two lines of the description also show up on search. So having a related keyword here can surely boost your video's rank. For writing the description, I use ChatGPT. You can also use Google Bard, as it uses more recent data. I use this prompt to ask ChatGPT to write the description. You can copy this format and make changes as per your need. You get the description ready without any headache. It also gives you 3 related hashtags. A thumbnail is crucial, as it serves as the first visual preview of your content. It can significantly impact the video's click-through rate, influencing the number of views. A compelling thumbnail attracts viewer attention, encouraging them to click and watch the video. Therefore, it's important to design a thumbnail that accurately represents your video content and is appealing to potential viewers. To make such thumbnails, you need to use some really high-quality, attractive images. You can generate these images with AI technology. Leonardo is a very useful software to generate images for free. Go to Image Generation section and give your prompt here in this box. Click Generate button and choose from the options you have. Like that, you can use AI for all these key factors while uploading a video on YouTube. It can significantly reduce the amount of time you need to do this manually and also increase your video views.